Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and operating system so changes match your machine. Once done, perform a power cycle. Unplug, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect to clear transient power faults. If the computer still misbehaves, boot to BIOS or safe mode to isolate hardware from software. Make sure to note error lights or beeps. They reveal why the system won't stay on or is cycling off. Next, you assess both hardware and software causes in parallel so you find the root quickly. Start with power. Test the supply, battery charge, and the wall outlet to rule out intermittent power. Then run memory and disk diagnostics, and reset or swap RAM and connectors to eliminate loose components. On the software side, disable recent drivers or plugins and install firmware or driver updates. These fixes address crashes that shut the system off unexpectedly. Continue methodically. To finish, restore system stability by reinstalling the OS or using System Restore if corruption persists, and replace any hardware confirmed faulty like the power supply, battery, or motherboard. Once replaced, verify stable boot and run stress tests for an hour to confirm the issue is solved. If things still go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: reconnect one component at a time to isolate the failure. That log of changes makes diagnosis faster and prevents accidental new faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.